In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format text in Google Keep. Google Keep now supports basic text formatting, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works on the web so you can make your notes clearer and easier to scan. Keep in mind, this feature is still rolling out, so if you don't see the options I'm showing, your account may get them soon. Start by heading to keep.google.com in your web browser. Open any note where you want to add emphasis or structure. Inside the note, highlight the text you want to format. Look along the bottom toolbar of the note for the Format button. It looks like a capital A. Click that, and a small menu will appear with your formatting choices. You can make text bold to add strong emphasis, italic to add subtle emphasis or indicate references, and underline to draw attention to key phrases. These options work like toggles. Click them once to apply, and click again to remove. You'll also see heading options labeled H1 and H2. Headings are great for creating visual sections in a long note. H1 gives you a larger, more prominent heading, perfect for titles or major sections, while H2 is slightly smaller and works well for subheadings. Use them sparingly to keep your notes readable. Depending on your version, you may also see familiar keyboard shortcuts. For many users, pressing Ctrl+B applies bold and Ctrl+I applies italics. If these shortcuts appear or work for you, they're a quick way to speed up formatting without reaching for the mouse. If you ever need to clean things up, removing formatting is simple. Select the text that looks off or inconsistent, click the Format button again, and choose Remove Formatting. This strips out bold, italics, underlines, and headings, taking the text back to plain, default styling. It's especially handy if pasted text brought in unwanted styles. A few important notes as you try this out. Formatting in Keep is not yet available to every account. The rollout is gradual, so some users won't see it right away. Also, older notes might not display these styles until you edit them again, so making a small change can help the new formatting options appear. And remember, Keep is designed to be a simple notes app. It won't replace Google Docs for advanced layouts or complex formatting, but it does give you enough tools to highlight what matters and organize your thoughts quickly. That's it. Basic, effective text formatting in Google Keep. Give it a try on your notes, experiment with headings for structure, and use bold or italics for clarity. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.